Today, we're going to Walmart. But not for shopping, to feel better about myself. Just kidding, it's for shoes. The goal? To make them a tiny bit better. And we got the shoes, only $14. Air Force One knockoff. Enjoy the video. I just went with like a simple teal theme, some lightning going on around the shoe. Just want to keep it simple. I just left the center white, left the toe box white. I think it looks good. You may be asking, where's the other shoe? Well, let me tell you, I definitely didn't mess it up, and I'm not putting it in here because I don't want to do it. I don't want to remake. So to come to conclusion, let me know what you guys think about these. I think they look pretty good. I probably would wear them if they were my size, but they're an 8.5 in women's, so they won't fit. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Also, let me know what you guys want to see for future videos. And as always, guys, I will see you next time.